Hello everyone, it's Adam here. In this video, we are going to be installing a couple of things. So we're going to be installing the DoubleTake Adventure mirrors, replacing the OEM ones. And we're also going to be installing SW-Motech's mirror extenders that just have a little plate that go a little bit further. I like them because I have wide shoulders, helps me see over my back better. So to get started, you're going to grab this rubber and push up here. And this will come off like a normal spinny. You're going to use a size 14 millimeter wrench and just turn that a little bit to break it loose and then just take it right off. Be warned, there's a little cap here that's a spacer between the hand guards, plastic, and the mirror. Just be warned not to lose that. You want to keep that for the next install. 14 goes to the bottom one here, turn that, and then just undo here. Watch that little spacer piece to keep it from falling down, but just keep unscrewing like that. We'll just keep this off the side for now. We're also going to be installing aftermarket hand guards, so I'm going to also remove this here by lifting up, get that out of place. So the best way to get this off is actually just to grab this hand guard, just shimmy this back and forth, and it'll come up like that. So get that off there. Now we're going to just put that to the side. We're going to grab our, these are our SW-Motech mirror extenders with the ram balls on them. You can buy these for like 80 bucks for the pair. We're going to make sure we save that spacer for another project. And we're just going to drop this in here and to start that off. That's screwed in. You're going to kind of put it right here so you can still hit the heated seat and heated hand grip button. So I don't want to cover it too much, but just kind of make it where it hangs over. Another thing that you're going to have an issue with is blocking the removal of the brake reservoir fluid. And so you kind of want to like thread the needle there between the brake reservoir fluid and the heated button with your grips on. And so just find whatever works for you, but you know, try to find the best of both worlds for getting those off like that. So just tighten that down a little bit. Oh, actually, I think our spacer comes with us. Let's put the spacer in there too. Yeah, the spacer goes in there too. Do that and that. Perfect. And this is an M6 or 7 for that button there. And then the final thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your DoubleTake mirrors with your clamps. You're going to put these like that. You're going to throw those on, and you're going to just screw those right down. I'll link to both of these below. Both are available on Amazon or SW-Motech.us or DoubleTakeMirrors.com. Again, bought these full price years ago, but I've moved them between a few bikes by now, and all you have to do is tighten this down, and you're all set. Other side, do you need the other side? I don't think you need the other side. Just grab that 14 mil, unscrew it, slide the little mirror. But actually, just so you know, if you're not doing hand grips, you're not going to be taking this this hand guard off of there. You'll leave that where it was. Put the spacer back in place. Tighten this down with let's verify that I gave you the right information. This would be a 6. Correct. It would be an 8 probably. Or M8. Yeah, M8. Tighten that down as tight as you want to go. Okay, within reason. And it does have a locking nut in there too. Not a locking nut, but like a spacer that that has resistance to it. And so that'll tighten down nicely. Just make sure, you know, get your gloves out. Make sure you can still access that heated grip button. You're going to access the heated grips more often than you're going to change the brake fluid. And so best of both worlds, really. You can also just go extreme, put this over the brake reservoir cover, and then just, if you're going to do the brake fluid, crack that open and move out of the way. That's up to you. You're going to access the heated grip button more than you're changing your brake fluid. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, everyone. And thanks, No One, for sponsoring this video. Take care.